world trip. Did you know that all of the Corvettes in the whole world are manufactured in Bowling Green, Kentucky, which is like a hop, skip, and a jump from my house? So we decided to be tourists this weekend and check out the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, right down the road from the actual plant. I'm not a super car enthusiast, but I have to tell you, I was enamored this entire visit. Like all of the beautiful cars, I got totally sucked into this palette of colors. Did you know you can get a lilac Corvette? I didn't either. Also, did you know that back in 2014, a huge sinkhole opened up in this museum and there's a whole area dedicated to it? It was sucked down like all these cars, including the 1 millionth Corvette that was ever made, y'all. It was so sad and also kind of creepy. Then we went into this really big dome room, which was fascinating. I had absolutely no idea there were so many types of Corvettes in the world, seriously. And then we got to look down the hole of the sinkhole, which I'm just going to be honest, was my favorite part. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm basic. But look how creepy it was. My kids were totally scared of it. It was amazing. Overall, I highly recommend this museum, regardless of your status with car enthusiasm. Plus, the gift shop has really cute hats, right? Like, I probably should go back and get this, right? Yeah, okay, I thought so. Check out the Corvette Museum if you're ever in Bowling Green, Kentucky. There's also a bunch of really cute quilt shops in the area. Plus, you can annoy your whole family by singing Little Red Corvette. Hoo-hoo. Like and follow for more.